Sir, good afternoon. I am Adimurthy, Mathematics faculty. On behalf of the Samruddhi Academy, I welcome all the students and parents for my revision classes. Samruddhi Academy started 3 years back. We were doing nicely. Due to Corona, it is not possible to meet the parents and students personally. We thought we can reach our students and parents through the online classes so that it may be helpful for everyone. Myself, Adimurthy, and our co-director, Mr. Anil Kumar Joshi, our coordinator, Sagai Razu, and two more directors, Netravati Madam and Veena Madam, we all have decided to start online classes for the benefit of the students of Karnataka. Now, from the beginning of chapters, every day we are giving the online classes. Please make use of this opportunity provided by the Samruddhi Academy. Good afternoon. I am going to start my work from the first chapter onwards. As you know, there are two parts in mathematics. From the first part, I am starting. First lesson, we have arithmetic progressions. So we can start from that. Before going to start arithmetic progressions, it is better to know the basic concept of this. What is a sequence or progression? Numbers arranged according to a rule is a sequence. Maybe those numbers arranged either in the increasing order or in the decreasing order. That is a sequence. Not only increasing, descending order. Any order if you find among the given set of the elements, then it is called as a sequence. Then what is an arithmetic sequence? Let me give an example. First, sequence. What is a sequence means? Let us take some of the numbers 1, 5, 10, 20, x and so on. Arithmetic sequence. How do you give the example? Look at this now. Arithmetic sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. I have given the example of a sequence. See, numbers are arranged according to some rule. 1, 5, 10, 20. It is a sequence. In the second example, for an arithmetic sequence, I have an example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What is the difference between a sequence and an arithmetic sequence? See the difference between the elements in the sequence. 5 minus 1 is 4, 10 minus 5 is 5, 20 minus 10 is 10. Difference is not same, but these numbers are in the order. Therefore, it is a sequence. In an arithmetic sequence, observe the difference between the consecutive elements. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2. Here the difference is same. In the previous example, in a sequence, difference is not same. In an arithmetic sequence, difference is always same. Therefore, we can define an arithmetic sequence in this way. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence if the difference between a term and its consecutive term is constant. How do you find out the difference? Difference between two consecutive terms. Third term minus second term. Fifth term minus fourth term. 10th term minus 9th term. Take any two continuous elements, find the difference. If the difference is same, then it is called an arithmetic sequence. Sequence means difference is not same, there may be some order. In an arithmetic sequence, difference between the elements is always constant or same. Therefore, it is called an arithmetic sequence. Now, how do you find out the nth term of the sequence? Formula I will give you. Yes, nth term of an AP. nth term of an AP is equals to formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, where AN is the nth term, A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of the terms. Let me take one example. Previous example I have given for arithmetic sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 to 10. There are 5 elements, therefore it is an infinite sequence. If there are infinite number of elements, for example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, there are only 5 elements, it is a finite sequence. And so on if I write, it is an infinite sequence we can count as now. Now, here first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8, fifth term is 10. For example, if I want 20th term of this arithmetic sequence, how do you find out? By counting, by stating the elements, it takes time. If you have formula, it is easy to find out. In this arithmetic sequence, which is the first term here, first term is symbolically denoted by A is 2. What is the common difference? Difference between any two consecutive terms. Now, A2 minus A1. A2 is the second term, A1 is the first term. A5 is the fifth term, A4 is the fourth term. Like that, any two terms you can take. For example, A3 minus A2. Third term is 6, second term is 4. Common difference is 2. Now, first term is 2, common difference is 2. Now, let us find out the 20th term of the AP. N is equals to 20. That means A20 we are going to find out. That is why we should make use of this formula to find out the nth term of an AP. We know the formula for that. Nth term of an AP. Here A20 means AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we are going to find out 20th term. Therefore, N is equals to 20. We have to substitute. So A20 is equals to A is the first term 2 plus N 20th term minus 1 into common difference is 2. This is equals to 2 plus 20 minus 1 19 into 2, which is equals to 2 plus 19 2s are 38. 38 plus 2 is the 40. Therefore, 40th term of the given arithmetic sequence is 40. This is the way. Let them ask any term in the AP, you can find out. For example, they ask you to find out 50th term. A is same, D is same, N is equals to 50, you have to substitute. Then we can find out any term in the AP. This is the way we have to find out the nth term of the AP. Let me take up some of the sums like this now. Yes. Now, find the 30th term of the AP. Second sum, if I take up here now, find the 30th term of the AP. The given AP is here 10, 7, 4 and so on. They ask us to find out the 30th term of the AP. Let us see which is the first term here. Here, first term is symbolically denoted by A, which is equals to 10. Common difference means second term minus first term or third term minus second term you can do. Here, second term is 7 minus first term is 10. Therefore, common difference is minus 3. Now, N, 30th term means N is equals to 30. You have to substitute. Yes, N is equals to 30. A30 means 30 at the term of the given AP. We are going to find out. As you know the formula, to find out the nth term of an AP is An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, A30 is equals to A is how much here? 10 plus N minus 1. N is how much? 30 minus 1 into common difference is minus 3. This is equals to 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. Be careful. Common difference is not 3. It is minus 3. This is equals to 10 minus 29 3s are 87, which is equals to minus 87 plus 10 gives us minus 77. Now we say that 30th term of this AP is minus 77. This is the way you tackle the arithmetic sequence. Let us find out first term, common difference. Which term they ask, n value we can substitute, then you can find out n term of the AP now. Now, let us take up some of the sums related to this. You can find out now. Now, which term of the AP is 78 have given now? Third sum here now. The AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. In the previous sum, they have asked to find out the 10th term and so on. But here, in this AP, which term of the AP is 78? They have given now. That means n you have to find out. An they have given for us. Let us find out here now. Which is the first term? A is equals to 3. Common difference, as you know, second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term you can do. 8 minus 3 is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. Anywhere difference is same. Therefore, common difference is 5. They have given last term. An is equals to 78. They asked us to find out the nth term. In the previous term, n they have given, an we have calculated. Here they have given an, we are going to find out n, but same formula we are going to use now. In this formula, an will be there, a will be there, n will be there, d will be there. There are 4 variables. Among the 3, among the 4, 3 they will give, the other one we have to find out. Formula, nth term of an AP equals to, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute what is the last term an here, 78. What is the first term a? 3. N, which term of this AP 78 means n question mark you put. Therefore, as you see the right, minus 1 into common difference is 5. Let us see only one variable n we have to find out. Now do the simple operation 78 plus 3 if you transpose to the left hand side that becomes minus 3, which is equals to n minus 1 into 5, which is equals to 78 minus 3, 75, which is equals to n minus 1 into 5. So n minus 1 is equals to 75. Do the cross multiplication. Multiplication becomes division by 5. Do the division. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 2 is the remainder 5, 25. 5 5s are 25. N is equals to 15 plus 1, which is equals to 16. What they asked here? Which term of this AP is 78 means n we have got 16. Then you can write 16th term of this AP is 78. If you want to verify, substitute the value of n is equals to 16 here, then you can get this term as 78. You can get another sum. Therefore, n is equals to 16. If you substitute, definitely you get a 16 equals to a plus 16 minus 1 into d. You can get 78. That is the way you have to verify yourself. Now, next, let us take some more sums which are related to this now. Now, find the number of the terms in this AP they have asked here now. The AP, how many terms are there to find out? The AP is they have given 17, 13, 19 and so on 205. Same way, in the form of the statement they have given now, here first term is 7, common difference 13 minus 7 is 6, an is 205, n you have to find out. I hope you have followed Let me work out same sum what I worked out earlier now. In this sum, once again same, first term a is equals to 7. Common difference a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, 13 minus 7 is 6, 19 minus 13 is 6, and last term a is equals to 205 and n is equals to question mark. That's all. Same procedures to be followed. So nth term of an AP is equals to an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is an here? 205. What about the a? 7. N, we have to find out how many terms are there. As physical, right? Don't change it down. Common difference is 6. Now do the simple mathematical fundamental operations to get n now. 205 plus 7 into transpose minus 7, which is equals to n minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7, 15 minus 7 is 8, 9, 198 you can get, which is equals to n minus 1 into 8. Yes, now n minus 1 is equals to 198 by how much you can get now? N minus 1 into 6. So 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. 1 is the remainder 8. 6 threes are 18. N minus 1 is equals to 33. N is equals to 33 plus 1, 34. Therefore, how many terms are there in this AP means? There are 34 terms. Number of the terms are 34. Or in the other way, same question can be asked how? Which term of the AP is 205? Then you say 34th term of the given AP is 205. This same question they can ask in both the ways. How many terms are there? 34. Which term of the AP is 205? 34th term of this AP is 205. That is the way you have to go for that now. Next. Next one. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. They have given here now. Yes. In an AP, 11th term is symbolically denoted by 11 is equals to 38 and the 16th term A16 which is equals to 73. They ask us to find out the 31st term means A31 is equals to mark. In mathematics, reading the question is important. While reading what they have given, what I have to find out, for that which is the suitable formula to use, that is most important. As you know that nth term of an AP means formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Accordingly, 11th term of an AP how to write now? So a plus 11 minus 1 into d can write now. Let us write the formula. Nth term is equals to formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. No doubt. Here 11th term is 38 means n is equals to 11 you have to substitute. So a 11 is equals to a plus n is how much here? 11. 11 minus 1 10d. 11 minus 1 is 10 10d. A11 value how much? 38. That got to substitute here. 38 is equals to a plus 10d. Call this as the equation 1. In the same way, 16th term they have given 73. I hope you understood. See, A11 means a plus 11 minus 1 10 divided straight away we can write A16 as a plus 16 minus 1 into d. That comes similarly for you how? Yes, this a plus 16 term is 16 minus 1, 15d, which is equals to 73. Straight away happens so that we can save the time. There are two simultaneous linear equations. Now we have to solve them. You know, there are three methods of solving simultaneous linear equations: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Any one of these three methods, whichever method is easy for you, that method you can follow, no objection for that. If I solve this now by the Elimination method, it becomes easy. Look at this now. A plus 10d is equals to 38. A plus 15d is equals to 73. By do? By subtracting. Yes, minus, change the sign, change the sign. Plus a and minus a get simplified. Minus 15d and plus 10d becomes minus 5d. And minus 73 plus 38. Negative point is more minus. 13 minus 8 is nothing but 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. Minus 5d is equals to minus 35. On both sides, negative sign is there. Simplify it now, make it plus. So, what you can get? 5d, which is equals to 35. D is equals to 35. Do the cross multiplication. By 5, 5 ones are, 5 sevens are. D, that is common difference, is equals to 7. We have got it. By substituting this value, either in the first equation or in the second equation, let us calculate common difference. You know, first equation, by substituting D equals to 7 in the equation 1, first equation is A plus 10D, which is equals to 38. D value 7, we have got it now. Let us substitute here. Then A plus 10 into 7, which is equals to 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 is equals to 38. Now A is equals to 38 minus 70, which is equals to minus 32. Have got it as every quantity is more. A is there, D is there. Now we have to find out the 31st term of this AP. Therefore, A31 is equals to, you can write A plus 30D. Substitute the value of A here. A is how much? Minus 32 plus 30 into common difference is 7, which is equals to minus 32 plus 30 into 7, 210. Difference of these two, 210 minus 32. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. 178. Then you can get now. So 31st term of this AP is 178. This is the way we have to find out the required term here now. Now, yes. Similarly, let us take one more sum here now. Yes. Yes. Now, one more sum let me take up here now. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So, 17th term of the AP means what? A17 exceeds its 10th term by 7. Exceeds its 10th term means A10 by 7. When you add 7 to the 10th term, then it becomes 17th term. Then they ask to find out the common difference. D is equals to question mark. That's all we have to find out now. Very simple. You know, nth term of an AP is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Accordingly, 17th term, how to write it? That means A plus 16D, because A plus 17 minus 1 is nothing but 16. State a variable now, which is equals to A10 means A plus 90 plus 7. We have to solve for the D. They asked us to find out the common difference. Here, if I transpose A, this becomes minus A. A gets simplified. Then 16D minus 90 is equals to 7. 16D minus 90 is how much? 70, which is equals to 7. So D is equals to 7 by 7, 7, 7 ones are 1. Therefore, common difference of this AP is 1. This is the way you have to solve the sums here now. In the same way, let us go for that. The next sum I will be taking up. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? What are the multiples of 4? The number which is divisible by 4 is called as multiple of 4. Therefore, which are after 10, 12 is divisible by 4, therefore multiple of 4. Next, 16, 20, and so on. Before 250, which is the number divisible by 4, let us do the division, then you get the idea. 4 6 are 24, 1 and 0, 4 2s are 8, 2 is the remainder. Subtract the 2. Last multiple of 4 you get, which is divisible by 4. Therefore, that will be 248. Because 4 6 are 4 2s are 8, 248 is the last multiple of 4, which is divisible by 4 here. What they asked me in this sum? How many multiples of 4 are lying? How many multiples of 4 are lying between 10 and 250? Between 10 and 250 means 10 and 250 are not included. From means both are included. Now, in this AP, what is the first term? A is equals to 12. What is the common difference? 16 minus 12 is 4. 20 minus 16 is 4. Therefore, common difference is 4. Which is the last multiple here? Last term in the AP is symbolically denoted by AN. So, AN is equals to 248. N is equals to question mark here. Now, same formula is to be followed now. Therefore, nth term of an AP is equals to AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. As you know that in any AP, first term, common difference, number of terms, last term. Among these four, any three they will give, the other one unknown 48. That's all. So AN is equals to 248. A is equals to 12. N, they are not asked given, we have to find out. Common difference is equals to 4. So 248 plus 12 becomes minus 12. If you want to do this multiplication becomes division straight away, which is equals to n minus 1. 248 minus 12. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 by 4 is equals to n minus 1. Let us simplify now here. Divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. 4 9s are 36. N minus 1 equals to 59. Therefore, n minus 9 is n minus 1 equals to 59. N is equals to 59 plus 1, 60. There are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Suppose if they are again multiples of 5, then you can take 5, 10, 15 and so on. Multiples of 7 means tables you must know 7, 14, 21. That is the way you have to go. Let them give any sum like this. This is the way you have to do this now. Next. Okay. Yes, today I have taken the first chapter, simple concept. I will continue in the next class from the remaining exercises. Thank you for watching this lesson, parents and students.